This right here already hit my bank account already. Come back again. Listen, so you know my last video, I shout out my merch. I also did, you know, kind of like a few posts. So my store's up. I know you guys might not care, but it's only $25. Come on, buy a t-shirt, buy a hoodie. Come on. And it was mainly for my channel. You know how the merch gang go. But this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make money selling your own merch and how much I made, what I did to make that amount, and what I'm doing to make more. You should be able to make at least $100. So I hope you guys follow along. And if you are gonna do it, let me know. I might buy you a shirt, might buy you a hoodie. Just let me know. We got a lot of making money videos. Stay tuned. I hope you guys subscribe. If you haven't already and you watch the videos pretty consistently, or this is your first time watching the video, make sure you guys subscribe. What are you doing? All right, subscribe, like this video, and yeah, stay tuned. Let me show you the merch website. So this is the merch drop. So right here we are partnering with a Spreadshirt. Some people do a different one, but I really like Spreadshirt. They have a really nice and simple way to set up the website. So yes, might as well just type up. That's another one. Might as well just type up Spreadshirt and log in. I mean, sign up, make a website, and start designing your own t-shirt, your own merch, and yeah, you'll be set to do that. So this is my merch, how I started. So welcome to Brylex. Yes, sir. You know, here we got some product on the main page, some designs. You know, the main design, and yeah, it's pretty good stuff. So if you want to cop that, make sure you guys go in the link below, and yeah, order yours. So we got some nice design, you know, some pretty decent price. And right here, this one is the best selling one. That's the best selling one. So let's get right into how I did that, or how I made more than $100 in a day, because I did that basically in a day. Well, I didn't do the shop in a day. I made $100 in a day. So yes, there's a big difference. Doing the shop and everything, setting up everything, took me maybe more than a week and a half. I'm gonna say 2 week doing everything, and then like shouting out on my Snapchat. I did everything on my Snapchat, and then later on I posted a video. But yeah, every sale came through my Snapchat and the people who knew me. So yeah, that wanted to support the channel. So if you want to support the channel, go ahead and click one of the link below. Just type spreadshirt.com. Go ahead. It will, right here, it will ask you to create your own one. They also got discount. I don't want none of that. We don't want none of that. So we do want to start selling. So you want to click that, start selling. Go ahead, and then either you can sell on their marketplace, which I recommend putting it over there, just because it will get you sales, and you don't have to do anything. They will do all the marketing for you. And then, but what I did, I went with opening my own Spreadshirt. So that's pretty good that you have two options right there. So this one, let me make this one more simple. If you guys haven't heard of a Spreadshirt and how it works. So this one, you upload a bunch of design. They will post it on your thing, and every time that design sell, they will give you a credit. So if it sell for 25, you might get a $5 credit for your design. So that's gonna do without you even doing anything. They'll sell it for you. So if it sells, then congratulations, you're gonna make a hella money. And yeah, so you don't have to do anything right here. You just have to literally just upload a design, and you're gonna be all set. With one design, I made like not 17, $15. So I'm gonna show you right now how I did that, but let's get on to this one. This one is the one you want, because you want to sell it to your friend. You want to sell it to the people that you know on social media. So this one is the one that you're gonna click. So once you click that, it's gonna bring you, well, I already have my thing, but this is what I got, my next payout or credit. This is what I have, but we're gonna come to this in a moment. And no, that's not what I made. It's just my next payout so far, and I haven't even you know, I think we only had 2 sales, so that's $5 a sale, plus some cents. So it's gonna bring you to the homepage. Let me. Well, it's gonna show you. It's gonna tell you to create your own shop. Once you do that, once you create your own shop, bam, it's gonna bring you to this. So it's gonna go to page setting, start page and everything. So that means the picture, the name, you're gonna do all that. And the pricing, here's the pricing and promo. That's all gonna be here. Marketing, advanced. You don't want to touch those. But the pricing, that's where you get your profit margin up or down. So this one, shop for pricing. And there you can put the price that you want to sell each things. So the base price mean that that's the price that they're going to be selling it to you. And then your margin is whatever you're going to take home. So them two combined is going to be $22. So if you, every time you sell something or they buy it for 22, you're gonna get $6. Congratulations. Or you might get 5 depending on your margin. You might get 9 right here. That's for the man premium hoodie. I get $9 and something. I get, let me see, for the long sleeve, I get $11. You know, you shop for the pricing, and then from there it just go, you know, my $24.99 for the man t-shirts, and the margin on that is $11. So pretty good, but I don't think the quality on this one is good, so I don't have it on. All I have on is the premium hoodie, which I sell for $40, and I probably get like 12. It's a bit more than that, because it's showing me that because of the discount I have going on right now. But I'll probably make $11 to $13 off a hoodie, and off a t-shirt I make anywhere from $4.50 to $6, depending on if people do it with a promo or not. So yeah, it's pretty good. So I recommend you shop for your pricing. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the credit thing, right? And then we're gonna look at everything right here. So as you can see, the Bralex brought in $10. So this was my payout for last month, the day that I did the thing. As you can see, almost the same day. Let me check. So right here, bam. 27, 20. Well, that's not it. That's not it. So this is 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. That's so many cells. So, and part of the 8 and 9. So I did that all day in like 30 hours. So I probably shout that out on like the 9, 7, maybe like around like 7 p.m. and then all the way through 9. Some people all the way through 9. Yep, all the way through 9. And I'm gonna show you how that goes. So it goes from 33 right here to then 7, 3, 388, 388. It goes down. Remember what I told you, it depends when people shop with the promo code. I had 20%, I think it was, or 10%. I don't remember right the promo code that I have, but if you don't have it, then congratulations, you're gonna make a lot more money than me. So that's $6, $6, $7, $9, $7.50. Well, no, $7.50, $7.50, $7.75. A lot, $9, $2. I'm pretty sure this was maybe a sticker. I don't know. But yeah, 7. All that rounding up to 135.86 plus another 10 here. Yeah, so let me check on this design right here. The design that's making me money without me doing anything is this one, the Lex. I also have it on a t-shirt and a hoodie. Let me find it right here. Boop. So every time they sell this one right here, this one, I get like those $3. That's what I get from this design. So like they will do everything for me, and I just get the credit of $3. So imagine if you sell, you know, like 100 design a week, you know, you can make hella money. So just start uploading your design to the marketplace, to their marketplace along the side, and you might get some extra income too. So yes, so we made the $33 it was there before the margin. So that's from the marketplace, and then the other 100, it was from me shouting out on Snapchat. Shout out all the people who support me on Snapchat. Yeah, we coming up for more. We showing you how to do it, so you can do it too. Well, I didn't say it. Let me stop right here. Listen, you can make a lot more money than this if you go hard on it, if you put your mind on it, focus on it full time. Not full time, but you know what I mean. As you can see, you're gonna do both of them. You're gonna make sure you post it on their marketplace, and then you do your own stuff too. That way, when it's combined, it's good. And yes, this right here already hit my bank account already. I'm not, that's going on my save. Well, that's going towards the next video. So yeah, it might be lost. Stay tuned for that. But listen, this is a really good quality hoodie. If you guys want to cop this, I already watched this like, I don't know how many, 3 times actually. 3 times, you know, giving it a good wash. So I can see how long they last. They feel good. They pretty comfy. You guys are following along though. And if you did, and you or you're gonna try, I hope you guys follow along though. And if you did try, or if you're gonna try to open your own merch, even though, or you just want to sell a couple things or make $100 quick, this is definitely a good way to start, you know, your online business or your online businesses, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty easy to set up. So definitely, and the profit margin are definitely good for what it is. You know, they do all the stuff. All you got to do is just upload your design. Definitely be creative with that. I don't try to sell me but yeah, definitely try to be creative with it. The more creative you are, maybe the more sale you're gonna get, the better result you're gonna get. If you get better result than me, let me know, comment below. And if you have a business, comment below how you going, because we all about making money here now. All right, stay tuned. We done on the phase of wasting money. We on the making money phase now. All right, you guys want a more in-depth video, but yeah, this is kind of like a rundown on how I did it and how you can do it yourself. Yeah, pretty easy. It's pretty simple. Search it up on YouTube. Or if you wanted me to make a really nice and simple video of actually opening, designing, and how what I use to design my thing, yeah, let me know and I can show you. All right, but until next video, keep it posting, and yeah, peace you out.